So for that I need a file object something here. So let's open a file. So you can click here or you can go to file to open a Maya file, and when you go to open you can see it search for Maya scene, which is the file format is MB, you can see here. So let's open this file, or to like practice it you can take any model from self here. So now I have a very simple scene here. So let's see how I can do these things. Right now I'm doing all those things here. So let's start from this tumbling or rotating the view. How can I rotate this view and see the model from different angle? For that you need to hold Alt and hold your left mouse button. First hold Alt, then left mouse button hold, then drag your mouse while you are holding both of them. Okay, so when you drag like this you can rotate your view basically from any angle. You can see your object. Okay, so again Alt hold, then left mouse hold and drag. Then let's see how we can zoom in. So for that again hold Alt and this time right mouse button drag instead of left mouse. When you hold your right mouse button and drag, it's gonna zoom in and zoom out. Okay, and then the last option is panning or tracking like this. Let's say I zoomed here but I want to see the bottom leg, so I can pan here like this. So I'm doing this by holding Alt and this time middle mouse button. So camera navigation is with Alt and 3 mouse button. Again for rotation Alt left mouse, for zoom in zoom out Alt right, and for panning it's Alt middle mouse drag. So the middle mouse is your scroll button. You need to press it when you feel it's kind of a tick sound, and then like press and then just move your mouse. Okay, so practice this navigation as much as you can. Then let's say how to see our full view layout. Now we are inside perspective. You can see here PERSP, it stands for perspective. If you press spacebar once, you can see the full view layout here. So we are actually in this layout, but this viewport was maximized. So now we can see the full view layout. Here you can see perspective, top, and this is front and this is the side. Let's say I want to maximize this top view. For that just put your cursor on that view. Don't have to select anything or click anywhere. Just put your cursor on that view and hit spacebar again. So now the top view is maximized. Again hit spacebar to see the full, and again let's say this view. So this is so easy, just cursor and hit spacebar. Okay, so let's say you have by mistakenly changed your view to anything else, or because there are so many things going on here, you might change the view like this by mistakenly. Now we have two perspective view. When you by mistakenly do this, just go to here and click on this second option, which is the 4 view layout here. You'll get back your by default 4 view layout anytime you feel like you have messed up. Okay, and let's see how we can use some shortcut to quickly frame your object. Let's say I want to frame this piece. So let's click here. Now you can see this object is being highlighted in green, and now I'm in select tool and I can click anywhere. If it's a single object, you can see it's highlighted green. Let's say this one, and if I hit F, it's gonna quickly frame the camera to the nearest position. You can see. Now if I want to see everything, hit A. So there are two shortcuts. Select something and hit F to frame it, and hit A to frame all the objects. Okay, so you can see it. Let's say in this view I hit F, it's gonna work on this view. Let's say I want to frame this object in every view at a single shortcut key. So I can do that by holding Shift while I'm pressing F. So if you press only F, it's gonna work on that view. If I press, let's say, Shift F, it's gonna work in every view. And like that, if I press A, it's gonna work in this view, only this active view. And if I press Shift A, it's gonna work in every single view. So these are some basic things for camera navigation. Practice it. So in the next lesson, I'm going to cover Maya viewport display modes.